Let's go, welcome back to Rise Invest. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this coin that can 100x. A very important video. I'll be showing you guys why I entered a trade over here. There's currently $28,000 in live profit. I'll be going through the thesis that's to do with tokenized assets over here. I'll be going through exactly what is this 100x coin, why this 100x coin will benefit in the current bull market. So do watch it to the very end. It's a very important video. If you manage to come across this video today, consider yourself lucky that I'm going to be explaining this to you guys, because I have full confidence that you earn a lot of money if you actually listen to this video. Okay, for those of you who want to be part of the trades, be part of the mentorship group, do join down below today at risoinvest.com. You'll be trading with myself, Riso Invest, the #1 trader, and you have full access to the 100x altcoin watch list, the bull market strategy guide, as well as the exclusive inner circle. It's a one-time payment for a lifetime access, so do not waste this opportunity. We have 2 more spaces left. Once the 2 spaces are taken up, this group will close. So join today if you want to be part of the mentorship group. Okay, so the trade that I made was this trade over here, which is Hype itself, and you can see that my trade is a $640,000 trade on unrealized live profit. I'm currently about 28.4k. So what exactly is Hype? If you have been following me on my X channel, I've actually talked a bit about Hype. Hype is essentially a DEX that trades perps, right? And it has strong trading volume and protocol fees. So what I mean by this, if you just take a look at the hyperliquid dashboard over here, the total DEX volume is about $45.5 billion. The average volume per trade is close to $1,000, and the transaction count is 47.7 million, right? The average daily volume is about 100 million. You can see right here, the amount of volume that is being traded on Hype is insane. Now, what I've explained over here on my X channel, I explained that Hype is having an insane amount of transaction volume, and this liquidity, right? This liquidity is being siphoned off from CEXs. In fact, if you take note, in the crypto era, in the crypto space, there are more and more people trading on Hype itself than on CEXs like Binance or Bybit. More importantly, Hype is going to have real world asset expansion, and this is a market cap or market liquidity that is untapped, and the amount of liquidity here is insane. Okay, I just want to tell you guys, so far Hype has about a total DEX volume of about 45.5 billion, and this is just the crypto market. The tokenized real world assets over here has grown tenfold in the past 2 years, and it has topped $30 billion. Look at this chart over here. Look at the amount of tokenized assets over here. What is going to happen is that Hype is actually going to tap onto these tokenized assets. Guys, $30 billion of trading, of liquidity being pumped into the Hype market, right? And every single trade is a transaction fee used to rebuy or repurchase Hype. Just imagine the amount of buy pressure that Hype is going to have within the next 1 or 2 years. And given the S&P 500 is at all-time high, given that the housing market is pretty much at all-time high, given that the interest rates are starting to come down, there's going to be a lot of liquidity being pumped into the market, and all this is going to get siphoned off into Hype. Guys, if you're watching this video, I hope that you can understand this point of view, and this is why I've entered this trade over here. This is a very small trade, to be honest. It's about 640k, about 29k in live profit, but I'm going to be increasing this position in the coming next 1 or 2 months, because I believe that Hype has the potential to go way higher, right? $100, $200, potentially even $300. These are things that we're going to see in the immediate short term in the end of 2026. In fact, if you take note of where Hype is at this point in time, we pretty much launched over here. Many people knew that Hype was a good buy. We traded above this level over here, have some sort of resistance at about $30. We got rejected off this level, traded towards the downside, reclaimed this level, and we spent a good amount of time over here, about 196 days, where we trended from $32 all the way to the high here at about $59. If you're watching this video at this point in time, you are very lucky, because we just entered this deviation. This entire level right here was the deviation itself. This level right here was the deviation below this level of consolidation, and currently we have reclaimed it. There's a very good chance that Hype might actually revisit this level again over here, or it might just pretty much find a level of support at this level of consolidation and hit higher. But regardless, nevertheless, This right here is a very bullish price action. Through the entire Bitcoin bear market in the past 6 to 7 months, hype has held its level over here. It has shown that it is strong in terms of its price action, number one. It has shown that the DEX itself has managed to survive with insane amount of average daily volume and an insane amount of total DEX volume. Given that they're expanding into real-world assets as well as tokenized assets, $30 billion is coming very, very soon. And don't forget, guys, this tokenized assets is only going to grow more and more. I cannot emphasize this enough. This is going to grow more and more as the next bull market comes, as the interest rates cuts down, all right? The amount of buys and the Fed balance sheet is going to increase, and this tokenized asset is going to increase. So guys, please, if you're watching this video, I have nothing to earn from you guys in terms of you guys buying hype, alright? I'm already in my long trade over here. I'm currently about 29.2k in profit. I want you guys to be able to earn as much money as possible. And this is seriously an undervalued coin, alright? It's just been launched 1 to 2 years back, and the value of it has not been realized. In fact, if you are part of crypto Twitter, if you're part of the niche crypto traders over here, you realize that most people are actually not really trading much on the Binance or Bybit CEXs anymore. A lot of these players are actually trading on the crypto dexes like Hyperliquid itself, and pretty much Hyperliquid has a monopoly on the dexes itself. And so if you want to be part of this DEX that captures all the liquidity in terms of protocol fees, you have to buy Hyperliquid at this point in time. Okay, but before you do, I want you guys to really just take a look and go and read this article, right? Tokenized real-world assets are coming. It's expanding. Hype is going to be tapping on this entire market. All the trading that is going on over here is going to be translated into protocol fees that is used to buy back hype, and this level of buy pressure is going to go up, right? In fact, just looking at how the S&P 500 and the real estate market has performed in the past 5 to 6 months, and looking at the buy pressure, you can see clearly that in just the past 5 months itself, hype has went from over here $20 to $43. In a span of about 3 to 4 months, we have pretty much 2x on hype itself already. If you're following me, you guys know that I've been longing and buying hype non-stop for the past few months, and this is exactly why you need to buy hype at this point in time. Okay, I hope that this knowledge is able to help you guys understand a bit more about the market. And if you have any questions, I'll do drop in the comment section down below. And as always, if you want to be part of the mentorship group, do join down below at rizoinvest.com. It is a one-time payment for a lifetime access. You will have access to myself, Rizo Invest, the #1 trader. Over here, my P&L is about close to 9 million last year, and you have full access to the 100x altcoin watch list, the bull market strategy guide, as well as the exclusive inner circle. Don't waste this opportunity. One-time fee for a lifetime access for you to gain your financial freedom. So do join down below today at rizoinvest.com. And as always, invest safe.